here's a lot of liquor.
Yep.
And it's all for me.
And me.
Two-fisted. Awesome. This is a ceremony for crossing the international date line.
Wait until 2 o'clock in the morning, and then set your clocks back. You can actually cross the date line twice. So something for you to keep in mind. Before I introduce your master of ceremonies for this afternoon's event, I would like to bring to the stage Jade, because she has in this ancient one-of-a-kind container.
Probably not very well.
The ceremonial eggs, ladies and gentlemen. We have 2 volunteers. This lovely lady here is volunteered, and this lovely lady here. Will you please join us up on stage? Maybe we should switch spots. We'll keep it like this. It'll be more interesting, I think. All right. So please carefully hold the egg on top of their head, but don't crack it until we count to 3. Ladies and gentlemen, please help us on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3.
Empty.
So we hold about the eggs, but give them a nice round of applause. They have no idea.
Being known as said renowned vessel will cross the 180th meridian at 54 degrees 47 minutes north, 180 degrees east and west at 1:30 a.m. this morning, in precisely 12 hours. You will go to sleep on Sunday evening and wake up on Tuesday. All of Viking Orion's guests, officers and crew have been duly inspected and approved by the venerable body of the Golden Dragon Court. It is therefore my privilege to proclaim that with all the supreme authority of the Golden Dragon's domain, that the 917 guests, 456 crew members on board the Viking Orion have hereby been found worthy and have been gathered into the folds and duly initiated into the silent mysteries of the Far East. Can you please turn the page? Be it further understood that all on board will hereby be entitled to all the rights and privileges associated with the domains of the Golden Dragon at 1:30 a.m. tonight. In celebration of this honor, please join me in a toast with this delicious Golden Dragon cocktail. Or, as we do, even though we are now in the Golden Dragon land, we're still Vikings. Yes, and we toast the Viking way. We say, skål.
Skål.
Thank you very much.
That's delicious.
Big ceremonies have big papers, but the interesting part comes in the details and the story. And it's a well-kept secret, that's why it's on the first. I called upon the cruise director, Dave, our wonderful General Manager Wendy, to be representatives for the ship's company to take the ceremonial plunge. Small papers, big things.
that guy. Well, they're pretty wet.
So, ladies and gentlemen, you're now in this great but still wonderful Christmas day. Here you go.
Thank you, Captain. Next round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Anders Steen.
Oh, the line's over there. You gonna be able to get to it? All right. Viking Orion, Gold Dragon. We're in line to get a dot on our forehead, a golden dot.